Hello and welcome back to my channel if you're new here. In today's video we're going to tackle my closet and we're going to clean it out because it needs it. It's a new year. I mean, it's already July. This video is probably going to be up in like August, as I know myself and my abilities to get a video up on time. But I still need to do a closet clean out. I do these almost yearly just for me to know what clothes I already have, which ones I may need, and which styles I should keep my hands off from. And also just looking through pieces where I was already like last year, but like, should I give it another year? And just going through everything. And to be honest, I'm going to be really honest with myself and also be really brutal with the clean out because my closet right now is overflowing. So let's get into how my closet is looking like right now. So this is my closet. It is an IKEA Pax, I think. And yes, I know it's so full. But no judging here. So this is how it's currently looking like. We have a lot of hangers, a lot of clothes. Then we go here. The first drawer is my t-shirt slash tank top slash leggings slash long sleeves compartment. And I can't fit anything in here. And there are dry clothes needed to be folded neatly into here. So we need to get rid of some things I don't wear anymore. That is the first compartment. The second compartment, which is kind of overflowing, is the jeans slash shorts slash pajama compartment. And then the last compartment is basically socks and clothes that do not fit me but I can't give away, or also clothes that are sentimental to me, and bikinis back there. So that is the current closet. I have here compartments, and I also have, which I only see now, I also have sentimental pieces here and like pieces I don't usually wear, which I could also store somewhere else. Let's just get started with this clean out. So let's go through all of these hanging clothes. They once had a really neatly and nicely organized categorization, which now completely faded, but we're going to organize them. So let's start. On the right, I always had my dresses slash skirts. Then I had like blouses, then I had pants, then I had cardigans, sweaters, and sweatshirts. So we're gonna keep that organization. I don't want to change it because I'm already used to it and I don't like to change a lot of things. So let's go through those. With the skirts, so I have them all hung up in this like way with like these hangers to have them all like this. This one doesn't fit me, so we gotta get rid of that one. Then we have my long skirt collection. I have a lot of long skirts because I love long skirts. So let's look through those. This skirt fits me, but I don't like it. I never reached out for it, so I know for the future I should not look out for these types of skirts. This skirt, haven't worn it in a really long time, also getting rid of that one. And yes, getting rid of the other. So we have these two left, which are one of my favorite skirts, by the way, both from Brandy Melville. Perfect. And I'm just going to continue through this part of my closet and getting rid of a few stuff, and yeah, let's go. So the organization of the hanging clothes should be pretty easy because they're hanging. But yeah, so I'm going to organize them now. So I'm going to organize obviously by categories. So we're going to start from this side over to this side. So basically we're going to start and reorganize my short skirts. This one, which I used to wear as a dress, but I'm going to put it into the bikini area because I'm going to use it as a cover up for my bikinis. Now we have the entire hanging section organized. I'm really happy with that. And we have a lot of free hangers as well as clothes. And I'm going to be putting them here. Now coming to the drawers. Here is currently the current situation of my drawers, which is not looking good. But I have a solution. I have these felt organizers that my parents got me. So I'm going to finally organize all my sweatpants and other types of like clothing that I just wear when I'm at home. Now I'll be taking pictures of everything I got rid of on my Vinted. You can definitely check it out. I'm gonna leave it on the screen if you want to check it out. Send me a message, you come from my YouTube, and I'll give you a discount.